Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change your relationship status on Facebook. So in order to do this, simply open your Facebook application and click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and you will see this page. Now on this page, click on your profile picture or profile name and you will see this page. Now if you'll have a professional account, you will see this three dotted icon. If you'll have a personal account, you will see edit profile button appearing just right here. So I'll click on three dot icon and click on edit button. Now I'll have to simply scroll down on this page and I will see relationship status under details. When I click on relationship status, it will show up this page. Here, I'm going to scroll down at the bottom and I can see add a relationship status button. I'll have to click here and click on relationship status. Now I can easily change my relationship status to single, in a relation, engaged, married, in a civil union, in domestic partnership, in open relationship, it's complicated, separated, divorced, and widowed. So I can choose anything I want and I can also choose the privacy of this relationship, whether I want to show it to everyone, that is public, or only to my friends, or only me. For example, I will choose only friends and click on save. And as you can see, I have successfully changed the relationship status of my Facebook account. So that's a simple way you can change your relationship status on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.